Hello friends, in this video we discuss on the second topic in environmental policies and practices 1 are global warming. Global warming are nothing but increase the temperature of earth. So here we just simply define the global warming is a gradual increase in the earth temperature generally due to the greenhouse effect caused by increased level of carbon dioxide, chlorofluorocarbon, that is CFCs, and other pollutants, those given a major carbon emission. As the greenhouse gases build up the atmosphere, the earth gets hotter because the carbon emission is given by the large number of man-made as well as the natural sources one. So the warmer the earth temperature. This process is leading to a rapid change in climate and it is also known as a climate change. So this climate change, those will be seen in the last video. Now, what is global warming? The global warming is the phenomenon of gradual increase in the temperature near the Earth's surface due to the greenhouse gases. Then it will be observed over the past 1 or 2 centuries. All of you know about last decade or 100 to 200 years one, just rapidly increasing the temperature of Earth due to the major carbon emissions given by automobiles, industries, etc. etc. Those will be directly inhaled or the import to the carbon emissions in atmosphere. So this change has disturbed the climatic pattern of the Earth and the temperature of the Earth rising constantly. And there are several causes of global warming which have a negative effect given on human being, plant and animal. That means ultimately to the biodiversity or the environment is affected by the impact of greenhouse gases that is causing by the global warming. Now, what is the greenhouse gases? Simply, the greenhouse gases is a gas in the atmosphere that absorbs and emits radiations within the thermal infrared range, that is ultraviolet radiation. This process is the fundamental cause of the greenhouse effect. So which one are the different greenhouse gases they are present in the Earth atmosphere? Those they are water vapor, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide is simply carbon emission, methane, nitrous oxide, chlorofluorocarbon, that is simply we say CFCs1. These are the major greenhouse gases they are present in Earth atmosphere. Now we just see the different causes they gives a global warming. There are man-made and the natural causes they gives emission of an greenhouse gases into the atmosphere and they leads to a global warming. So first we see man-made causes of global warming. So the deforestation, that means cutting of the large number of plants, they directly affect the carbon absorption and releasing of oxygen to the atmosphere. So the deforestation is a major cause to the global warming. Use of vehicles, that is automobiles, they given a large number of carbon emission and they leads to increasing the warm or increasing the earth temperature. Chlorofluorocarbon. So the number of air conditioners, refrigerators, they are majorly given to elimination of the such a type of the chlorofluorocarbons by a man-made uses or the causes given to the environment. Some industrial development, agriculture and the overpopulation, these are majorly given impact to the carbon emission or the simply we says the greenhouse gases, and they leads to a global warming. Then the some natural causes they also give an impact to the global warming or they affect global warming. Volcanoes, water vapor, and the forest fire. These are the all natural hazards or the activities one. So they also eliminate the number of gases. They leads to warming the earth temperature or simply greenhouse gases one, and they leads to global warming. So all these causes they gives impact or the effect to the atmosphere or the earth one. So here we just see about the effect of a global warming on to the human being or plant or simply in an environment one. So the first effect in temperature there will be a rise. Global warming has led to the change in a incredible increase in earth temperature. From 1880 the earth is warmer 1 degree Celsius to the particular increasing with the parameters or the different aspects one. Here this has resulted in an increase the melting of glaciers which have led to an increase in the sea levels one, because warming the earth so melting the glaciers and increase the sea level. Then the second effect, the climate change. All of you know about the precipitation of formation, alterations upon the seasons are majorly given impact to the climate change. So here global warming has led to change in climatic conditions. There are a drought at some places and floods at some areas. All of you, those problems they are suffer from a last decades one. The some area given high rainfall and some area will be given a drought or the no more rainfall one. This climatic imbalance is the result of global warming. And the next one effect spreads of diseases. Global warming lead to change in the patterns of heat and humidity, and those will be leads to the movement of a mosquito that carries and spread a large number of diseases by a vector are nothing but a mosquito. The next one effect are nothing but a high mortality rate due to the increase in a flood, tsunami, and other natural calamities. The average death to the all usually those will be increasing because the sudden change in an environment those will be occur, and the natural calamities or the hazards they will be may cause to the environment one, and they leads to the death of a particular individual. Then these such events can be bring about the spread of diseases that can be hamper the human life by the increasing the mortality rate of a particular human being one. The next one effect are nothing but the loss of natural habitat. Simply the alteration of a different seasonal change they may leads to effect on all the individuals they are present to the biodiversity. Simply a global shift in a climate leads to the loss of a habitat, and in this loss of habitat the number of individuals that is animals or the plants they may becomes endangered or the extinct from the biodiversity one. And this is yet another major impact of a global warming on to the biodiversity one. Now here we just see and take a one chance or the one way to stop the global warming. How to stop the global warming? So here first one, reduce use of fossil fuel, because the fossil fuel those will be using by the different industry or simply the human being, they may given to the elimination of a large number of a carbon emission. So here we just simply say the use of fossil fuel increases the level of greenhouse gases. So we use alternative sources like solar and the wind power as compared to into the fossil fuel one. Then second one, plantation of trees, because deforestation is a major impact to the global warming one. So the plantation of trees, they are helpful to take in the carbon dioxide and release the oxygen into the atmosphere. They become cool the environment one. Then after, reduce waste management or the waste one. The garbage or the waste, when they will be decomposed, that time in a decomposition or the lysing the particular waste or the garbage material one, they produces the large number of greenhouse gases like methane, chlorofluorocarbon, etc., etc. So here lastly we just say, make earth green and stop global warming. Those will be helpful to the environment as well as also for to the human being one. So in this entire video we just discussed on the global warming is nothing but a gradual increase in the earth temperature, those generally due to the greenhouse effect. There are a different number of greenhouse gases: water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, chlorofluorocarbon, etc., etc. There are several man-made as well as also the natural causes, those given to the warming the temperature of the globe one, and they may given a large number of negative effect or the impact on the biodiversity one. And there are effect or the impact on a biodiversity are the rising temperature, change in a climate, loss of habitat, and reduce the effect of greenhouse in an environment by a different way, by plantation, as well as also they reduce the use of automobiles and the vehicles. Here there are different questions they are asking, such as define global warming, define greenhouse gases, write a short note on the global warming and the greenhouse gases. Now here the sum of multiple choice questions are. The first one is, the global warming is the phenomenon of a gradual ... in the temperature near the earth surface due to the greenhouse gases. The options are given here: decreases, increases, and reduce. So here, when they increase the temperature of the earth, that time the global warming, though will be majorly occur. So the answer is the increases. Global warming is the phenomenon of a gradual increase in the temperature near the earth's surface due to the greenhouse gases. In the second multiple choice question, a global shift is the climate leads to the ... of habitats of a several plant and animal. So the shifting is occur due to the climatic change is a majorly affect the loss of habitat. So the here answer is given, the loss. A global shift in the climate leads to the loss of habitat of several plants and animals. In the next multiple choice question, garbage or the waste decomposing produces methane and other greenhouse gases. Here the filling the blanks or the multiple choice is given, the decomposing one. Okay, so this is all about the greenhouse gases given to impact onto the global warming. I hope all of you well understand about the global warming.